Also, pwede din.
Kasi yung pet, feeling ko safe sa buwit.
Safe din naman. Safe din naman. Yung jowa, aalagaan pa nga.
Diba sa States, big thing na yan. They really bring their pets.
No, and they bring so much joy kasi
They
to an
do.
office. Like, imagine like a cute little puppy running around.
Hindi, tsaka alam mo yung kunyari yung medyo swamped ka na with work. Alam mo yung just a few, like a hug or a kiss, and you're ready to go. I'm not even joking. I mean, obviously, if you're not an animal lover, then gets. Pero for pet lovers, it's a dose of dopamine.
Can you bring Sinai?
I know. Yeah.
Kasi mas di ba siya yung parang pinaka-pwedeng medyo
like,
lap dog.
Hindi lang pwede. Talagang lap
O
dog.
dali. Pero payag ba siya sa lap ng iba or sa lap mo lang?
Oh, no. That's, yeah, I'm pretty sure he's fine. Yun nga. Kasi I've never really made any of my dogs wear a diaper. So, I don't know. Siguro I'll introduce it.
Oo,
Kasi-
baka wiwian naman ako ni Sinai.
Hindi, dapat talaga naka-diaper. It's just that I don't know how they'd like it. They probably find it uncomfortable at first. Since hindi sila lumaki
Hindi sila
wearing
sanay.
it. Oh, hindi sila sanay.
So, kasi you don't really bring them to malls and stuff, right?
No, we do. But we clean up. Not diaper. Pero pag yun nga, pag kunyari sa malls kasi require diaper. Iba naman, as long as you clean up, they're fine.
I think, kahit hindi naman siya, kasi I understand that it could be a distraction if, if it's a daily thing. Pero sana meron yung parang bring your dog to day work. Bring your dog
Yes.
to work day. Sorry, baligtad. Bring your dog to work day. Baligtad. Hindi, diba? Sana may ganon. And then like, that would be really cute. Like
It
maybe
would.
once a month
Mm-mm.
or something like that. I would love to like meet my coworkers for babies.
Totoo. Siguro ang lang natin dyan is, don't bring your female dogs if they're in heat. 2, make sure that their shots are updated. 3, wala silang ticks and fleas.
Ba't kami walang balloons? Did you click something?
What? Why?
I just saw balloons.
May balloons?
Sa video mo. Di si Chico. Yeah, biglang may balloons.
I have balloons.
Did you guys see that? I mean, I didn't imagine it. Yeah,
I was
saw
on another
balloons.
page. Now?
Just, a while ago. A few seconds ago. Bigla na lang may nagliparang balloons sa frame mo.
How? How do you do that? I
Ayun,
want to see
may
my
palopo
balloons.
si Chico. Sabi ni Emerson.
I want to see. What did I do?
Apparently, it's a feature.
But I didn't press anything.
Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Wala.
Wala. Ba't kanina nag-balloon?
Balloon.
What did you do? What did you say?
But see, I'm not even touching anything. I'm literally not touching anything.
So what happened?
Filter daw siya.
There were just balloons randomly.
Ginagawa niyo akong trained seal eh. Niloloko niyo ako eh.
Oh, I wonder how
Do this.
you triggered the balloons.
Wala oh. Peace sign daw eh.
Oh my. Yeah.
Did I do a peace sign?
Lahat ba ganun? O sa'yo lang?
iOS daw.
Galing. Updated ang iOS mo.
Oh! That is so much fun!
Wala na. Ayaw na. Baka dapat dalawa.
Di ba sabi nila, did you see that thing? Pag daw guys, pipicturean. Guys and girls, they both do the peace sign. Pero pag guys,
V.
tas pag girls.
Okay.
No, like yung ganyan, pag guys, nakabaliktad. Pag girls, palm up. Pag guys, ganyan.
Peace. Oh, ano?
Panganian.
Di ba? You never do like this.
Yeah.
Pag guys, ganyan.
For millennials.
Huh?
It's a millennial.
Oh, that's what they say. Yeah. It's a thing.
Learn some
Thumbs up. It's thumbs up. What'll happen?
Thumbs down. Wala.
Sa iOS.
Ayaw
wala
na. Ba't hindi siya consistent?
Meron din daw. Ito na. I'm trying thumbs up and thumbs
Oh
up.
my God! What else could you trigger with your fingers?
Okay. According to O'Neill, may gestures for Apple products or iOS na may mga things na lalabas sa screen.
Nope. Nothing.
What if you do this and an eggplant comes out?
Oh! Anyway.
Go up and down. Ganun.
Hindi nga eh. Oh,
Eggplant
oh.
and squirt.
Okay, anyway. From Mike Ferrer, what's stopping you from shooting my shot? Because I know my place and my capacity. And that shot is not something I have a chance to make.
Ito
Alam
yung
mo,
parang,
I agree. I will make that shot if I have a chance.
if you think there's
Yes.
like the slightest chance,
Yes.
right? Yeah.
Yes. Yung alam mo yun, yung kunyari, with love. Kung manliligaw ka, let's say an office mate or a friend, pwedeng your chances are very slim, but you do have a shot. Now, let's say the shot you want to shoot is, let's say, a Hollywood celebrity. Obviously, you have practically zero. It's not impossible, but it's practically impossible. You know what I mean? So ako ganon. I'm a believer in that now. If it's just an uphill climb, I will shoot my shot. Pero kung medyo imposible, hello. I mean,
It's a Hail Mary.
sobra. Like even beyond that, diba? So, from Duchess Gemini, what's stopping you from turning the AC on? The heart attack of seeing my electricity bill later. Pero nowadays, hindi pwedeng wala.
Yeah.
It's impossible when it's so hot.
Upgrade ka sa inverter.
Remember the other day when it was raining the whole day? The moment the rain stopped, oh my God. It was
Yeah.
like
Parang
hot.
lalong uminit.
Para kang pressure cooker. Like, it was so stifling. Like, I couldn't breathe.
Even when you go to parking lots now, diba? Sa
Super.
mga mall parking lots.
Super.
Too hot.
And from Al Macchiato, what's stopping you from coming home to the Philippines more often? Aside from mahalang flights, for me, parang it's become my mom's home instead of my home. Life went on without me, so it feels a little stranger to me the longer I'm away. Yung parang nawala yung stamp mo that makes it your home as well.